Kaspa at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a breakdown move after losing a horizontal line of support above the 0.1, flipping it back into resistance. And we continue to hold above our horizontal line of support above the 0.08189. We have also continued to obey the ED12 structures, and on today's update video, I will be discussing the next key areas that you need to pay attention to. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And from the highs we made above the 0.132, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the lower side, where you can see that I have been terming this initial drop to the lower side as the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target area for that second wave, highlighted on the chart using that yellow target area, an area within which you can see that we got rejected, starting another pullback to the lower side in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the fib extension from the high of that wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of that second wave. And the area that I was paying attention to the lower side was the fib ratio 1:1, and that lies above the 0.08782, an area that we fully maximized. Then over the weekend we started a bit of a bounce over here in what I have been terming as the formation of that wave 4 to the upper side, and the minimum target areas for the wave 4 were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of that second wave to the low of the wave 3, and on so doing the area that I have been paying attention to has been between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, and that is between the 0.1 and the 0.09528, which is the yellow target area on the chart, and that is an area that Kaspa is yet to fully maximize. And that means that in case we get another bounce in the next coming hours, get a break above the high we made above the 0.0922, there is a very high chance that Kaspa is going to get us into this yellow target area over here in the formation of that wave 4. And once we get into the area, then we can easily get rejected, starting another pullback in the formation of this wave 5 to the lower side. We also need to have in mind that since we are seeing some bearish movements over here, we can also easily get shallow pullbacks to the upper side in the formation of these wave 4, and that means that the high that we have at the moment could be the high for that wave 4. And in case in the next coming hours we continue breaking down and lose horizontal line, our horizontal line of support above the 0.08189, flipping it back into resistance, and also break the significant low we made on the 31st of May, then I will be expecting a more direct movement to the lower side in the formation of that wave 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of that wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of that wave 3, and on so doing the area that I will be paying attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.06, and that is an area that Kaspa can easily maximize in the next coming days. So let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.